Hello guys, welcome to our next lecture. So today we are going to see ER modeling, that is entity relationship modeling. So as you know, we are learning this particular Dynamics 365 with the help of one case study. So the case study is the leave management application, right? So inside this application, we have already added two tables from the database, and that is accounts and contacts. So these two tables are predefined and system generated tables. So out of the box tables we are using in our application, right? So these tables I have added only for our study purpose, but for our case study these two tables are not required. So that is the first thing. So what tables we require in our case study? So as we are developing leave management application, so we will require one table. We will require main tables, but these two tables will be the main tables. So that is the leave request and the leave item, right? So one leave request may relate to many leave items, right? So leave item, further the columns are the like leave type. We will have from to date, and we will have total days. Okay, so these are the columns for leave item, and then we will have leave request, right? So what is ER? Okay, so ER stands for entity relationships, which refers to the modeling of tables and the relationships between them, right? So we whenever we are going to create the new tables inside the database, right? So uh, at that time, if we have ER model in front of us, then it is going to be easy to us to create the tables and relationships between them. Okay, so what do you nowadays there are many online tools those are available to create ER diagram, but for now we can do that using the paint or Microsoft paint or pen and paper for our study, right? So so um, ER diagrams are mainly used to model the data, first thing. Then it determines how many tables we need to create, right? Then it helps us to establish relationships between the tables, and it to help us to identify the primary key, foreign key, as we are going to create the relationships. So ER diagram will help us to do all these things, right? So let's open the print, and we will see how ER diagram will look like for our two tables. Okay, so just draw, let me draw rectangles here, and then the relationship between them. Let me draw one straight line. Okay, uh, let's consider this as a leave quest table. Okay, and this is leave item table. Okay, so how these two tables are related? Okay, so as I told you, leave request is going to related to many leave items. The many will be denoted by asterisk or n. Okay, and here it is 1. Okay, so this is the relationship between these two tables. So in other words, we can say one leave request may have many leave items. So that is that. So now we are going to use one system generated table, user table, for our employees who are going to raise this request. So we are going to make use of user table. So how user table is going to be related with our leave request? So that also I need to show you here. Okay. So here one user is going to have multiple leave requests. Okay. So hope you understood how to model the entity relationship model, right? So for our case study, for now, these are the main tables. We will continue with this diagram to create the tables, custom tables, right? So we are in the next lecture we are going to create custom tables for leave request and leave item. Okay, and the user is already system generated table. Okay, so it is the out of box table which Microsoft have provided to us. Okay, okay. So in next lecture we are going to see how to create a custom table for this leave request and leave item. Okay, so hope you understood, guys, entity relationship modeling, and see you in the next lecture. If you have any queries, just comment down below, and do subscribe and like share my videos. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.